Good. Yeah. See, Jordan, let's make this. See, roll. Jordy, see, you have to roll. Wait. Can you put eyes? Can you put 2 eyes? Where are the eyes? Small one. Okay, put big one. Put here in the middle. Not like this. Like this. Yeah. So we have a cute, dangerous monster. Not like this, Jordan. I'll show you. Yeah. Okay, let's. we can see here, this is I never thought that a green color and the combination of green color and googly eyes would look so spooky. And okay, so I'm going to show you one more trick. So when they are wet, they also tend to stick to the bins. You can see this. Oh. Just love this play a lot. Show you there are three different sizes of googly eyes here. So we have big, medium and small. Did you see the way he grabbed it? I mean, he doesn't want me to play with it. He wants to play all by himself. Right, Jordan? Purple, na? Put like this. Do it like this, na? Stamping. Why you are bouncing? Here, take this yellow. Do here, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Very good. Do baby. Don't touch it. Do it over here. Stand. It's called dab. Dab, dab, dab.
Dab.
Yes. Can you dab it, baby?
Fine.
That's good. And we have magic potion. So this is, which color is this, baby? Which color? Which color, say? Which color? Red. Very good. Give me, I'm going to open it for you. Okay, can you mix this? Sit down, sit down, sit. Okay. Wow! Look at the color. Wow. So that's red color. So now we're going to pour in some water beads. Black and purple. So can you pour in water beads? Yes, very good. Can you pour in all, Jordy? Pour in all. Do like this. Jordy, see? Smash! Wow! Smash! Oh, you don't want me to do that also? Huh? You don't want me to smash? Oh, Jordy, what's the spider? Bat! So spooky. These beads, you can see how these beads have turned into